Welcome back to the Money Mindset channel. If you are new, welcome, subscribe, and smash the like button. Before we get started, I talk about personal investing, credit, real estate, just stuff about money. Today, I'm going to be talking about the new credit card I just got. Let me just pull it up real quick. It's called the SavorOne credit card by Capital One, and I just got it on Friday, so I was surprised because it did come a little bit early, which is always exciting, and I got an $8,000 credit limit. Now, before I get into more details about what I'm going to be talking about, remember everybody, when you do get a credit card and you spend money on your credit card, make sure you have the same amount of money in cash to pay it in full each and every single month. We don't want to go into credit card debt. We don't want to be stuck in that. So make sure that is going on good. And let's get into what I'm about to talk about. I got an $8,000 credit limit. That is not reason why I got the credit card. It's most likely for the sign-up bonuses and the, cashback rewards. So with this SavorOne card that I got, they offer a $150 sign-up bonus after you spend, I think it's $300 within the span of 3 months. But hold on, guys, stop your horses, slow it down. I'm not going to be paying $300. I'm going to be paying equivalent of 2%. I'm going to show you exactly how. So I was on YouTube and I saw a YouTuber, and this is exactly what he does. He said that he doesn't, he doesn't follow the steps of the sign-up bonuses. Usually on a sign-up bonus like this, in the past, I would actually spend that $300, because I have stuff to buy regardless in that 3 months to use on my credit card. So it was always fine because I had to pay that stuff. But I don't have to do that no more. Crazy, right? I don't have to do that no more. So pretty much I'm signing up, getting the bonus without spending anything other than a fee of like 2%. So they are going to be using Plastiq. I'm going to show you over here, and then I'll go more in depth into the video. But Plastiq is a transferring system so that, if a credit card is not taken in a certain place, I could transfer money from my credit card to, a person or to a company just to pay for something. Especially like rent, they do that. You could literally pay with your credit card for rent. Even though I know credit cards are not allowed to pay with rent, but this is like a loophole, so that you could do what you need to do just for a small fee. So I'm gonna go to computer and we're gonna all check it out. All right, guys, this is the Capital One. I'm actually gonna go break down the details of this card a little more in depth. It is called the SavorOne Rewards from Capital One, a limited 3% cash back on dining and entertainment. So that's good. I get 3% on cash back for everything that I do when it comes to, going out and eating out. But I don't really do that often. But as long as I know it's there, it's great. So unlimited rewards, 3% back on dining and entertainment, 2% at grocery stores is great, 1% of all other purchases. So this is what I'm talking about right here, the new card member offer. So earn a one-time $150 cash bonus when you spend $500. Okay, it's not $300. It was $500 on purchases within the 3 months from opening the account. And the annual fee, so sometimes cards have an annual fee, which is like a subscription fee for having the card and allowing you to use the card. But all my credit cards are annual fee free, so I don't have to pay anything for my credit cards, and I just reap the benefits the whole time. So it shows you right here the purchase rate, APR, transfer, no transaction fees, redeem your way, all the good stuff, and a couple other bonuses right here. Travel accident insurance. Guys, if you get a credit card or if you already have credit cards, check the benefits because, sometimes they cover, towing fees and, travel accidents. So if you rent a car, you don't actually need to buy the insurance because your credit card usually covers up to $50,000 in damages. It's like stuff like that. So remember, if you're renting a car, do it with a credit card and never pay the insurance that the place is offering. That is just a little quick tip. And I'll get into more benefits of credit cards and rewards and other videos. But let's go over to what I was talking about, Plastiq. So Plastiq, it says maximize your cash flow, pay with credit cards where cards are not accepted for a simple 2.5% fee. So if we go to Google Now let's look up calculator. And then we're going to do $500 because this is how much I'm going to be paying to make $150. So 500 times 0.025 equals $12.50 I need to pay for the transfer fee so that I can get $150 cash back for the sign-up bonus. Now, does that sound like a deal or what? To me, it definitely does. So it beats spending $500. All I could tell you that. But yeah, this is I saw it on YouTube. Some guy was talking about it. This is how he travels for free. He just transfers money to like a friend, and then the friend sends him his money back, and then he uses that money to pay off the credit card that was charged to it. So you get the sign-up bonuses all the time. It's crazy. So let's break it down. Go over here to the left about how it works. Tell us who you want to pay. Your recipient does not need Plastiq account. Just tell us recipient name, bill information, your address, direct deposit, payment amount. That's it. Plastiq charges your card 2% transaction fee, no member fees, so that's great. You know, the less fees, the better. Plastiq pays on your behalf. Your recipient gets paid by check, wire transfer, or ACH transfer. They receive the payments, you get an email, and then you could track the account in real time, and then you just ask your friend for the money back, and then you pay off the credit card. That's how you get the sign-up bonus. So I'm not sure directly if this works, but I'm going to be trying it out. I'm going to send the $500 to my girlfriend, and then my girlfriend's going to send it right back to me so I can pay off the credit card, and we will see if I will get the sign-up bonus. So that'll be nice when I do get it, because I have $150 cash back for just spending $12.50. Now, what I'm doing with my credit cards, you know, my girlfriend wants to go on like a cruise or like just somewhere that we could go on vacation. But, you know, the goal for me is not to pay one penny out of pocket for this trip. So as of right now, I think I'm at about $180 with just all my other credit card rewards that I have ready to go. And then if this works, then I'll add $150, so I'll be at $330 just in free cashback bonuses. So guys, this is the other credit card that I was talking about. If the one that I'm doing actually works, then I'm going to be signing up for this one soon enough. Just in the transition of getting a new job. So you're pre-approved 60,000 bonus points. That's like 700 right here. That's $750 in travel rewards when redeemed through Chase Unlimited Rewards. So, you know, once I get the sign up and I spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months using Plastiq, just transferring $4,000 and then getting the $4,000 back, I will be able to have $750 in travel rewards when I redeem it. So, like, guys, this is super cool. But the other thing about this is that we have the $95 annual fee. You know, I don't mind paying $100 just for a subscription, and they have so many bonuses, 0 transaction fees, 2 times traveling dining. So this is when you spend money and you get points to, you know, travel. This is their bonus points. So this is the next one, and I think me and my girlfriend are going to do it at the same time so that we have that money so that we could just both travel for free. I'll keep you guys updated along the way, but this is the one that we are working on right now, the Savor one, and then I'm going to be doing the Plastiq. So stay tuned, guys. I will be dropping another video to tell you if I did get the points or if I didn't. And yeah, that is it for the video today. Remember, I'll be linking Plastiq below, and I'll link, I think the Savor one has like, you know, refer a friend and you get some points, but I do have credit cards down low in my description that I use on a daily basis, and they have 0 annual fees, and you get a sign-up bonus when you do sign up for them, and then I get a little bit of love and they give me some money, so that will be help me so that I can go on vacation for free even more. So thank you guys so much. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and have a good one.